Tired of those sneaky subscription charges eating away at your wallet? Today, we're diving into Experian Subscription Tracker, your new best friend for taming those recurring payments and putting money back in your pocket. Let's get started. First, log into your Experian account once you're in. Look for the Subscription Tracker feature. It's usually prominently displayed in your dashboard or under a Tools or Services menu. When you click on it, you'll see a brief introduction explaining how it works. Experian automatically scours your linked financial accounts to identify services you're paying for. Here's the magic: the Subscription Tracker will present you with a clear list of all your detected subscriptions. You'll see the service name, how much you're paying, and when it's set to renew. Take a good look at this list. Are you still using that streaming service you signed up for during that free trial? Is that gym membership still worth it if you haven't been in months? For each subscription, you'll likely have options to learn more, manage the subscription, or even initiate a cancellation directly through the tool if you see something you don't recognize. That's a red flag for a potential hidden fee or an unwanted auto-renewal. By actively reviewing and canceling services you no longer need, you can easily start saving significant amounts of money each month. Think about what you could do with that extra cash. Experian's Subscription Tracker empowers you to take control of your finances, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your recurring expenses and boost your financial awareness. Start tracking today and enjoy the savings.